You're sitting at home trying to figure out a way to get online tutoring students. And suddenly, you notice that you have a message from someone interested in your services. You get excited and you immediately call them back. And as you take all the right steps to find out more about the child that is struggling in the area that you tutor, something doesn't feel right. The questions this person is asking, they don't seem like the typical questions that you usually get asked. Not only that, but the person on the other end seems to be taking control of the conversation, which again is not a normal thing. And they ask you about how many students you currently have, how much you charge, and how does online tutoring work? Now, some of these questions are not out of the normal, but something doesn't feel right. And you look at the clock and you realize that 40 minutes to an hour has gone by, and this person is still asking you questions. So you try to get them to get on a free assessment or a consultation, but they tell you that they are just in the research phase. And oftentimes, when these conversations have happened, it is because the tutor's time has just been hijacked by another person thinking about doing online tutoring. And this is mistake number 16. So what are some better ways to learn more about online tutoring? I'm going to share all of those secrets and more, so stay tuned. My name's Joanne Kaminski, and the situation that I mentioned has happened to me countless times. I rarely talk to my clients on the phone anymore, but I am against calling someone back, and I'm not against calling someone back and taking that next right step to get a free assessment. But in mistake number 15, we looked at ways to be ethical in doing business. And if you missed that video, you will definitely want to check it out, because any one of us could make these mistakes without realizing how it harms other tutors. So mistake number 16 is pretending to be a client to learn how to run an online tutoring business. Now, another tutor in our group, she had done the same thing on Thumbtack to a tutor without realizing how it affected the tutor. She was curious about how much she charged, but she was posing as a fake client to learn more. And this amazing tutor, once she realized that the tutor had to pay $20 to respond to her request, she refunded her in full. She felt bad about it and she took the actions to rectify it. She honestly didn't think initially how it could affect the tutor. She wasn't trying to be malicious or a thief or anything like that. I mean, she honestly was just trying to figure out what this tutor was doing so that she could do it as well. But how do you give someone back their time? I mean, I personally charge $100 an hour. If a tutor poses as a client with me and we spend 40 minutes to an hour, are they going to refund my time? It's really unlikely. In this video, I am going to share 3 ways that you can learn more about being an online tutor without having to hijack another tutor's time. Now, I know that the word hijack seems a little harsh. In reality, most people are just trying to reverse engineer the process, right? But how do you know that the person that you're trying to reverse engineer is running their business in an effective manner? You don't. So to help you out, I have created a ton of tools for you so that you can make more money in a shorter amount of time and you can make the right connections with other online tutors. So first, subscribe to this channel, because each week I put out 4 new videos that are going to help guide you get started. On Mondays, I have a series. Currently, the series is 29 mistakes online tutors make and how to fix them. However, you can always expect a new video that is related to a series on Mondays. On Tuesdays, I share about the different tools that are available for teaching online or for marketing your services. And if you're looking for the tools that I have presented so far, click on that little eye so that you can binge watch them. Now, each Wednesday, I tackle a question that an online tutor has asked. And these are questions that are posed either in the Ultimate Support Group for online tutors, inside of my private group, the Insider Secrets Club, or have been asked in the comments section of my YouTube videos. So feel free to ask any questions. Who knows, your question might just be picked and featured as the question of the week. So ask away in the comments below. Then on Thursdays, I host a YouTube Live at 11:30 a.m. Central, and you can join us as we talk about the most important issues in online tutoring today. Another way to learn about online tutoring is to join our Facebook group. It is called the Ultimate Support Group for Online Tutors. And new members are added daily, and there are over 3,800 members as of this recording. And you can find a tutor that tutors anything in this group, and people are always willing to share their most valuable tips and suggestions. Now, I'm always love when someone is struggling with something and another tutor mentions that they have time to help them with it. You know that you are not hijacking someone's time when they come out and they tell you that they would love to help you. So I have a link for you to join the group in the description. So click on that and join us. Now, each month I offer a new conference for members in this group to help them grow in their knowledge of online tutoring. And the conferences are only $1, and you leave with some great action steps to help you move forward in your business. Now, in the group, we have special days of the week. On Mondays, you can read people's blog posts. On Tuesdays, you can check out the kinds of videos that other tutors are creating. On Wednesdays, tutors share their websites so that they can get feedback. Thursdays is Thoughtful Thursday. That's where you can thank someone in the community that has helped you. And Fridays is Facebook Page Friday. Tutors can share their Facebook business page and get feedback. Now, if you have been a member of our group, what has been one of the benefits that you have received? Write your comment below. The third tool that I have for you is my book, How to Become an Online Tutor and Get Paid What You're Worth. In this book, I share my journey with you, along with some of the stories of other online tutors. I share the mindset journey that I had to personally go on in order to go from being an employee to a business owner. And then I show you how to create a business plan. Now, most people think that they could just start tutoring, but you must lay the groundwork before you can do that. And I have set up a simple 4-step process for you. So if you were to build a house, you wouldn't just move in, would you? No. First, you would need to meet with an architect, draw up the plans, and then you need to get the materials to put the plan into place. And your business plan is like the blueprint of your business. You figure out who your ideal client is, how much money you need to make, and then figure out where to spend your time marketing your business. And you can begin this process as you read this book and follow these 4 steps. Now, once a tutor has taken these 4 steps and applied them thoroughly to their business, they end up with a tutoring business with long-term success. And you can do lots of simple little things throughout your business over the next couple of years if you want to, but you and I both know that you want to succeed this year and not wait. And you want lasting strategies that help you get found all over the world on autopilot. That's right, even when you're sleeping, right? So often, tutors in our community, they'll wake up to an email asking if they are available to tutor their child. And this book lays out the path to make that happen. I want the same result for you. And I'm going to give you this book absolutely free. That's right. The only thing you need to do is pay for the shipping and handling. Not only will I send it to you, but I will even sign it with a special motivating message and provide you with an audio version so that you can listen to it in your car or as you are relaxing in bed at the end of the day. That's when I like to listen to my audiobooks. Now, the last tool that is available to you so that you can learn how to run an online tutoring business is a free webinar called 3 Secrets to Getting Online Tutoring Students. Now, I have found that oftentimes people know how to teach, but they have no idea how to get clients. So I created this webinar to personally share these secrets so that you have all of the basic tools in your back pocket for a successful online tutoring business. I not only share how to get clients, but tools and resources that are helpful and how to have a successful sales conversation. And the link is also in the description. And the best part is most of this stuff is all free or very cheap. You don't have to worry about bothering anyone that might be really busy, and you don't have to pretend to be a client to get the secrets. You can get all of those secrets here and more. And the best part is oftentimes you don't know what to ask. By hanging out with other online tutors, you learn things you didn't even know you needed to know. We've got you covered. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and that little bell. And if this free content excites you, please hit like and share it with somebody else who might benefit from it. And stay tuned for mistake number 17. This is not educating yourself about time zones. And since we just had a time zone change here in the US, it is the perfect time to talk about this so that you always know when it changes, where it changes, and you can plan for it so that you don't lose clients. Well, my name is Joanne Kaminski, the online tutor business coach, helping you get found, hired, and referred. Bye, everyone.